Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download Candy Crush in your computer device in a very simple way. How you can do it, just simply open your Microsoft Store. Here you have to search your Microsoft Store. And then if you click on that, it will going to open the Microsoft Store over here. Also in your computer browser, you can also get it from the start icon. That's it. You have to go for Microsoft Store and here you can simply search for Candy Crush. Here it is. If you click on that, you're going to get the lots of Candy Crush option. Candy Crush Saga, Candy Crush Soda Saga. Maximum we're going to look for Candy Crush Saga. So if you click on that, then you're going to get the install options. If you click on the install, and as you can see, the installation is completed. Now you're going to get the option called play. So if you click on the play option, the device,
I'm going to accept the Tafila contract, and then it has a
and here is your Candy Crush is right. So now you know how you can simply install Candy Crush in your computer device in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.